Do you wanna play? Do you wanna play? Oh, what does that mean? What does that mean? You wanna play? You wanna play? Yes? You wanna play with Derrick? Oh, you wanna play with Derrick? Yes, you do. Derrick. Oh. Derrick doesn't want to talk to you. Huh?
Oh, he's gonna cry. He's gonna cry.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Derrick wants to play with you. No, it's okay. Derrick wants to play with you, Anna. Yeah, Derrick.
He knows you're lying. He's gonna start crying.
Derrick wants to play. Yeah, Derrick wants to play. Oh, no.
You hurt his feelings already, babe.
Don't cry. Don't cry. Mommy loves you. Mommy loves you. Mommy loves you. Okay? Oh yeah.
I don't think he believes you.
No crying, huh? No crying. Okay?
Ito naman ang shout.
What are you doing, Derrick?
Shouting. What's that? You don't like your chair? You don't like your chair? No? You don't like your chair? What is that? Is that a cry? Ay, ay, ay. What is that? Cry with no tears? Is that a cry with no tears? Oh. Can you smile for mommy? No smile? Just crying? Huh? No smile for mommy? Do you want to talk to mommy? Oh no. Is anything wrong with you? No, not at all. Are you a happy baby? No. Is there something? Wow.
I think he said, "How are you?"
Oh, you want to smile one more time for mommy? Wow. No pain. No pain.